Welcome to the Cameron Highlands. Feel like I'm back in Sapa already. Thought I got out of that place. Got some tea. This is the leaf that gives tiger balm its smell. So if you smell these leaves, it just smells of tiger balm. At the tea factory now. You can just smell the tea already. Lovely.
More accurately, oxidation. In this factory we only make black tea. We have once before made green teas, but there is a lot of demand for black tea in this factory because we use old machines.
Strawberry farm. See, these leaves have been mainly harvested. That's a tea leaf right there. Got some workers here who are often foreign from other countries like Myanmar, Bangladesh. They come here and they pick tea. They can be seen harvesting it right now. Presumably that's their accommodation behind me there, where they stay for a few months. And then yeah, just work on the plantations. South Sea. Where's the mini golf? It looks like a Solero, but durian. Let's go. Penang. Mark Ween's nasi kanda. Oh yes. Durian crisp, Fanta grape. So I've gone for sotong, aka squid. So let's unwrap this parcel and see what we got. So unwrapping the banana leaf, and there it is. Nasi lemak with squid for breakfast. Let's have it! It's pretty fishy, so I probably should have got chicken, but credit to me for braving it. It's not that bad, and it's spicy as well. The rice is very coconutty, so it is good. It's just quite fishy. Still only 3 ringgits, which is like 30p if that. So yeah, not bad. Little India. That dish is called chendol, by the way, and that picture depicts a man eating it. It's actually so good, really sweet. Look at this mad thing. Mutton. No thanks. Look at this mutton. Nasi kanda. Come on, G. This. back again today to try the chicken one. No thanks. So yeah, let's see how the ayam is. Fishy again. It's the sauce that they put on top. I realise now, it's just the sauce that they put on top. So it's not really the chicken or the squid, it's the sauce they put on top. It may be grey skies, but I am absolutely sweating my nut off. Cheers, buddy. Cheers, mate. This humidity is getting to me. Tough. The gross millipede on that tree. Ugh. Drenched I am. Just wanting to capture this. I don't know if this phone does it any justice, but just how dense and jungly this is. It's annoying because I'm sure there must be so many snakes around me right now looking at me, but they're so well camouflaged I can't see them, which is peak because I just want to see one like coiled up on a branch or something, but I've just not been able to see any. But I found out that the way to find them is at night, so maybe tomorrow when I get to Langkawi, I'm gonna take my torch and just go for a little jungle walk at night time, because I've just done so many solo treks on this trip during the daytime and just not seen a thing really. But I know they're around because I've seen videos of other YouTubers and stuff who have, you know, come to Borneo, come to Malaysia and found all the snakes you can imagine, and it's always at night time, so I know that's what I need to do. So hopefully there's still one more chance left for me on this trip. We'll see. cloudy, I'm not sure how cool this view would really be. I mean, maybe I'm being a snob, but nah. Fuck this shit. Look at that. Typical. Oh, it looks so nice over there. The sun shining on it. Not like this side.